Meaning of deservedly.
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 Deservedly. Deservedly is an adverb that means an action or consequence is justly merited, given or earned in a fair and reasonable manner. It is used to indicate that something is appropriately deserved due to the cause of a certain situation or action. For instance, if someone works hard and achieves great success, we might say that they deservedly earned their achievements. Using deservedly acknowledges the fairness and appropriateness of someone's actions or outcomes, and it implies that the result was not simply a matter of luck or chance, but rather that it was truly earned through effort, dedication, or merit.